Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Rafi Automation. Today in this video I will show you a very useful parameter of the LSIG5A VFD. As you can see, I have one 4 kilowatt LSIG5A VFD. So you will notice sometime when you connect a VFD to the motor, it will give something a whistle sound. Your motor will generate some noise. So how to solve that issue, I will discuss about that today. So there is one parameter which is called the H39. How to go there, I will show you. So remember parameter number H39. I will go to H39. Normally by default it will be set to 3. So if you feel there is something noise in your motor, you have to increase the setting. By increasing, you will notice the sound is going less. So you can see it's by default is 3. When you connect the VFD and you feel there is noise in the motor, there will be something whistle sound. So you have to increase this. Increase it 1 digit, make it 4. You can make it 4 or 3.5. Then you have to notice your motor. If it's still there is, just increase gradually and observe your motor, and you will see once you increase this, the whistle sound is going to decrease. So this is how you can do to control the noise in the motor. It's called a carrier frequency. So go to this parameter and you will be able to reduce the noise in the motor. Especially you will face this issue when the cable is very short. So you will face there will be some noise from the motor. Even sometime if the cable is long as well, you will feel. So just increase the parameter number H39 and observe the noise. I hope you will understand. If there is anything, you can mention in the comment, and I will be able to reply your comment and will be able to solve the issue. Thank you for watching. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and like the video.